Today we are unboxing Shopkins Real Littles, Things You Love Made Micro. This pack is 16 pieces. There's 4 hidden surprises and a special edition icy. This set is recommended for ages 5 and up and is made by Moose. Here is the back of the box. We can see some of the Shopkins. And up here, it tells us what's inside. There's always fun in store when you go through the door of the Real Littles Micro Mart. Your favorite brands are ready to play no matter what time of day. So come and check out the latest arrivals to hit the shelves. So let's start unboxing. So here we have our Shopkins out of the box. Here is the collector's guide. So first up, here we have Ella Eggo. She has 2 berries on her. And here is the Eggo box. And you can open it at the top. And we can put Ella inside. And it's so cool because it looks like real Eggo thick and fluffy waffles. It even has like a little barcode and everything. I think it's so cool. Ella Eggo is a common Shopkin. Here we have Holla Pringles. It is a common Shopkin Micro Mart special. Here's the container. It has the Pringles logo at the top, and on the front here tells us the kind of Pringles, has the little nutrition facts and the barcode. It's so cool. And then you can open it up and put the Shopkin inside. Here we have Cherry Vanilla Briars, and here's the little container. It's so cool. It's got all the logos, the ice cream on it, the nutrition facts, the barcode. It looks so real. And then we can put our Shopkin inside and close it up. This is a rare one. Here we have Anna Mel cookies. There's a little camel on the top, like a real cookie. Then we have the package here, and it's like circus animal cookies, and we can put our Shopkin inside, and then we can close it up. And on the back it has like all the real details of a real package. It's so cool. And this is a common one. Then we have Spicy Cheez-It from Savory Snacks. And it's kind of sparkly, and it is a common Micro Mart special Shopkin. And again, we have all the details of a real package. We can open it up at the top and put our Shopkin inside and then close it back up. Ella Eggo is from Breakfast. Cherry Vanilla Briars is from Ice Cream Tubs. The cookies are from Sweet Snacks. The Pringles are from Savory Snacks, like the Cheez-Its. Then we have our special edition Micro Mart special Shopkin here. It's icy blue, and the ice is dripping out, and it says icy on it. Then here is the cup. You can open it up and put the Shopkin inside. So this is from the slushy section. Now let's open our surprises. So in our first surprise, we have Welch's grape juice. So now we gotta open it. And our Shopkin is in here. Here we have Glen grape juice. It's a pitcher of grape juice and it's clear and you can see the grape juice inside, which is so cool. And the grape juice is really cool because it's got the brand on it and all the cool details and it looks like real grape juice. This is a rare Shopkin. All right, let's open our last surprise. In our last surprise, we have more Eggos. These are Choco Toast. Again, it has all the details of a real package. And here is our Shopkin. We have Choco Toasties. They're so cute. They are a common Shopkin Micro Mart special. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe for more.